everyone, welcome back to Fun English Journey. I'm speaking to you from a beautiful island. It's sunny, full of peace, and the perfect place to learn English in a way you've never experienced before. Let's dive deep into natural, useful English. Ready? Let's go. Let me ask you something. If you were here right now, what would you say? Use these as starter ideas. I feel, I see, I hear, I love. For example, let me ask you something. If you were here right now, what would you say? Use these as starter ideas. I feel, I see, I hear, I love. For example, I hear the sounds of waves. I see a little crab running along the sand. Pause the video and say greetings out loud in English. Don't be shy. It's your time to practice. I'm about to go a ride around the island. Great time to relax and think. While riding, I think in English. Here are some words and phrases to learn.
Cycle around, pedal slowly, pedal fast. Breathe in the fresh air. Enjoy the view. Clear your mind. I'm cycling around the island. I breathe in deeply and feel relaxed. I enjoy the sound of the wind as I walk.
Now that we're relaxed, let's learn some island-style idioms. Fun, smart, and native-like. A drop in the ocean. It means a very small part of something big. A drop in the ocean. In deep water. It means in trouble or difficult situation. In deep water. Make waves. It means to cause a strong effect. Make waves. Go with the flow. It means relax and follow the situation. Go with the flow. Now let's make some sentences with these idioms. Learning 10 new words a week might feel like a drop in the ocean, but it adds up. This channel is trying to make waves in how people learn English naturally. If I travel without knowing English, I feel like I'm in deep water. On this island, I go with the flow and speak English as it comes to me. As I walk here on shore, let's practice some useful adjective and sensory phrases. Close your eyes and say each sentence aloud. Feel words, connect them with your senses. The water is crystal clear. The water is crystal clear. The breeze is refreshing. The breeze is refreshing. The sun is bright but gentle. The sun is bright but gentle. The shells feel rough under my feet. The shells feel rough under my feet. The air is salty and fresh. The air is salty and fresh. I know when you're traveling, your top priority is spending quality time with your family and friends, not carry a book and study all day. Honestly, I'm not asking you to study like you are in the class. What do I invite you to do is this. Think in English. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, at the beach, on a boat, or walking through a local market. Try to see the word in English. This is how native speakers learn, naturally, through real life experiences. And you can do the same, even while you're on vacation. Look at this sunrise. A brand new day is here, and with it, a new chance to grow. Learning English is just like this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start, to show up. One word, one sentence, one thought at a time. Let the light of the new day inspire your mind. Repeat after me. Every sunrise is a fresh start. Every sunrise is a fresh start. Now, take a deep breath and smile, because you're not just watching a sunrise, you're rising. See you in the next video, and remember, learning is not a race, it's a beautiful journey.